Here is a step-by-step guide to help you learn how to join a Zoom meeting. What you will need: a device with internet access, the Zoom app installed in your device, the meeting ID and password provided by the host. Step 1. Download Zoom. Visit the Zoom website and download the app. Create an account or sign in. Click Join a Meeting and enter the meeting ID and password. Step 2. Joining a meeting. Once you have the Zoom application installed, open it up and click on the Join a Meeting button. You can also join a meeting by clicking on a link that was sent to you by the meeting host. Step 3. Enter the meeting ID. Enter the meeting ID or the personal link name provided by the host in the Zoom app or website. This information is typically included in the meeting invitation or email. Double check for typos and ensure you're joining the correct meeting. Step 4. Entering the password. Once you have the meeting ID, if the meeting is password protected, enter the password provided by the host. This ensures security, but some meetings do not have a password, so do not worry if you are not provided. Step 5. Audio and video settings. Next, you will need to choose how you want to join the audio portion of the meeting. You can either join using your computer's audio, or you can dial in using a phone. Make sure your microphone and camera are connected and selected in the audio and video settings. Adjust the volume and camera angle as needed. Step 6. Waiting room. When you join the meeting, you will be placed in a waiting room until the host lets you in. Once the host approves your request to join, you will be able to see and hear everyone in the meeting. Remember, if you have any issues or questions, you can always reach out to the meeting host for assistance. Remember, if you that's it. You are now ready to join a Zoom meeting. Thanks for joining.